Welcome to Siggy Designs, where we cover all things that are Great Dane. But in this video, we are focusing on all large dogs. Today, we're diving into an important topic for all large dog owners: recognizing pain in your beloved pet. All large dogs can experience discomfort and pain. Understanding how to identify these signs is crucial for their well-being. You see, dogs, they communicate differently than us. They rely on body language, facial expressions, and behavior changes to let us know when something is wrong. Unlike humans, they can't just say, "Hey, my tummy hurts," or "My leg is sore." Instead, they give us signs, subtle cues that something is wrong. These can be easy to miss if you're not paying close attention. For instance, a dog that is usually active and playful might suddenly become lethargic or disinterested in their favorite activities. Another common sign is excessive licking or grooming of a particular area. This can indicate that they are trying to soothe a painful spot. Whining or whimpering, especially when touched, is another clear indicator that your large dog might be in pain. As pack leaders, it's our responsibility to understand these signs and provide the care they need. This means being observant and proactive. Regular checkups with your veterinarian can help catch issues early before they become more serious. We need to be in tune with their energy, their body language, their eyes. A dog's eyes can tell you a lot about how they're feeling. If they seem dull, or if your dog is avoiding eye contact, it might be a sign that they're not feeling well. Just like with any relationship, communication is key. Building a strong bond with your large dog will make it easier to notice when something is off. Spend quality time with them, learn their normal behaviors, and be attentive to any changes. Today, we're going to discuss 10 common ways your large dog might be telling you they're in pain. These include changes in appetite, difficulty moving, and changes in their usual behavior. For example, if your dog is having trouble getting up or lying down, it could be a sign of joint pain or arthritis. Remember, early detection is crucial for treatment and ensuring your furry friend lives a long, happy life. By being vigilant and responsive to your large dog's needs, you can help them stay healthy and comfortable. So, stay tuned as we explore these signs in more detail and provide tips on how to care for all gentle giants. Now, a limp, that's an obvious one, right? It's one of the most noticeable signs that something might be wrong with your dog. But what if you're not paying close attention? You might miss it entirely. But even then, we can miss it if we're not paying attention. Sometimes we're so caught up in our daily routines that we overlook these subtle signs. It's easy to assume that our pets are just having an off day. A large dog, they're big, powerful dogs. Their sheer size and strength can sometimes mask their discomfort. They might not show their pain as clearly as smaller breeds. This makes it even more crucial to be vigilant. They might try to hide their pain, push through it. Dogs have a natural instinct to conceal their weaknesses. In the wild, showing pain can make them vulnerable. So they might continue to play, run, and act normal, even when they're hurting. So look for any hesitation in their walk, any favoring of one leg. Pay attention to how they move. Are they walking slower than usual? Are they avoiding certain activities they used to love? Are they reluctant to put weight on a particular paw? This could be a sign of an injury or discomfort. Watch for any changes in their gait or posture. Even a slight limp can indicate a problem. Do they yelp or whine when they move a certain way? Vocalizations like yelping or whining can be a clear indicator of pain. If your dog is making these sounds, it's important to take them seriously. These are all signs that something is wrong, and you need to get it checked out. Don't wait for the problem to get worse. Consult your veterinarian as soon as you notice any of these signs. Early detection and treatment can make a significant difference in your dog's health and well-being. Joint pain. It's common in large dogs. These giant companions, known for their loving nature, often face a silent struggle that many owners might overlook. Their size comes with its own set of challenges. They grow so fast, sometimes their joints can't keep up. From the time they are puppies, their rapid growth can put immense pressure on their developing joints. This accelerated growth can lead to discomfort and pain, which might not be immediately noticeable. You might notice your dog is stiff, especially in the morning or after a nap. This stiffness can be a sign that their joints are struggling to support their weight. It's not just about age. Even younger dogs can show these signs if their joints are under too much strain. They might be slow to get up, hesitant to climb stairs or jump onto furniture. These actions, which once seemed effortless, become daunting tasks. It's heartbreaking to see such your pet in discomfort, struggling with everyday activities. These are not signs of laziness. It's easy to mistake their reluctance for laziness, but it's crucial to understand that they are in pain. Their hesitation is a cry for help, a plea for relief from the constant ache in their joints. These are cries for help. When your dog hesitates or moves slowly, it's their way of communicating that something is wrong. They rely on us to notice these signs and take action. Pay attention to these subtle changes. A slight limp, a change in their gait, or even a reluctance to play can all be indicators of joint pain. Being observant and proactive can make a world of difference in their quality of life. Early intervention is key to managing joint pain and giving your dog a better quality of life. Regular vet checkups, a balanced diet, and appropriate exercise can help manage and even prevent joint issues. Remember, our dogs depend on us to ensure they live a comfortable and happy life. Let's be vigilant and compassionate, providing them with the care they deserve. Now, a large dog loves to eat, right? So if they're suddenly refusing food or eating less than usual, that's a big red flag. Pain can suppress their appetite. They might be nauseous or just not feel like themselves. On the other hand, some dogs might eat more when they're in pain. It's their way of self-soothing. Either way, any significant change in appetite warrants a visit to the vet. Don't wait until it becomes a bigger problem. Chapter 4. Behavioral changes. Decoding the signs. Dogs, they thrive on routine. They like predictability. So when their behavior changes, it's a sign that something is off. Maybe your usually playful dog is now withdrawn and lethargic, or perhaps they're more irritable, snapping or growling more than usual. Pain can make them anxious, fearful, even aggressive. These changes are not your dog's fault. They're trying to tell you they're hurting. Chapter 5. Vocalizations. Listen to their voice. Your large dog can't talk and let you know they are in pain, but they do vocalize. Whining, whimpering, yelping, even a low growl. These can all be signs of pain. Pay attention to when they vocalize. Is it when they move a certain way? When you touch them in a specific spot? These clues can help your vet pinpoint the source of the pain. Remember, your dog is trying to communicate with you. Listen to what they're saying. Chapter 6. Posture. The body language of pain. A dog's posture speaks volumes. When they're in pain, they often try to protect the injured area. You might notice your dog hunching over, tucking their tail between their legs, or keeping their head lowered. They might be stiff and reluctant to move, or they might pace restlessly, unable to find a comfortable position. These are all signs that your dog is uncomfortable and needs your help. Chapter 7. Dental pain, the hidden ache. Dental pain is often overlooked in dogs, but it can be incredibly painful. Signs your dog might have dental problems include drooling excessively, pawing at their mouth, or having difficulty chewing. You might also notice bad breath, bleeding gums, or broken teeth. Regular dental checkups are crucial for preventing and treating dental problems in large dogs. Don't let your furry friend suffer in silence. We've all experienced stomach aches. They're no fun. Dogs can get them too, and the signs are often similar to ours. Your dog might vomit, have diarrhea, or lose their appetite. They might also become lethargic, whimper, or adopt a hunched posture. If you suspect your dog has a stomach ache, it's important to contact your vet, as it could be a sign of a more serious condition. Ear infections are common in some large dogs, thanks to their floppy ears. Signs of ear pain include scratching at their ears, shaking their head excessively, or tilting their head to one side. You might also notice redness, swelling, or discharge from the ear canal. If left untreated, ear infections can lead to hearing loss, so it's important to address them promptly. Most large dogs are known for their friendly nature and love of play, so a sudden decrease in energy level can be a sign that something is wrong. If your usually playful dog is now reluctant to go for walks, play fetch, or engage in their favorite activities, it's time to take notice. Pain can sap their energy and make them want to do nothing but rest. Don't ignore these changes. They could be your dog's way of telling you they need help. Remember, you know your dog best. Trust your instincts. If you notice any of these signs, don't hesitate to contact your veterinarian. By being attentive and proactive, you can help your large dog live a long, healthy, and pain-free life. They depend on us, pack leaders, to be their advocates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your large dog happy and healthy. Next video, back to the Great Danes.
The other day we went to a vet appointment with Siggy, just an annual checkup. This big 140-pound Great Dane walks into the vet's office. Everybody grabs their little dogs, puts them in their lap, terrified to death. Siggy runs in there, acting all tough, and then she jumps under the bench and hides. I've got a video of her coming out. Enjoy this. She's mad now because I'm telling on her.
I know, he exposed you, didn't he?
I want my dad.
You gotta crawl up now. There you go.